an ET Now exclusive. In an exclusive chat with Neha Bothra, PSB's former chairman and now the current chairman of Allahabad Bank, Usha, said that steps are being undertaken to plug the loopholes that are allowed a scam of 11,400 crore to go undetected for the last 7 years. Let's listen in.
No, actually, it's time that all of us revisited, I mean, in general, all banks revisited the system, because fraud risk management is something very, very important. So whatever loopholes are there, because, I mean, there could exist, which need to be addressed immediately. And again, you have to address it to the best efforts and best levels. That's what all of us are working at.
Where do you think the loopholes currently stand at that allowed a very large scam to go undetected for 7 long years? What were the loopholes?
No comments on that. What I want to tell you is there could be always, because technology advances so fast that what is today could have got obsolete, or you might not have upgraded, you might not have done certain things. So now it's time for all of us to very closely revisit and then take all steps that can create maximum security.
Steps can be like that linkage of SWIFT and CBS. That
whatever, each bank has different way, I mean, maybe a different thing to do. So each one will take their own call and then do the appropriate measures to ensure that, we get secured fully.
What is your exposure to PNB?
Sorry, I won't talk to you on that.
RBI has also mandated stricter SWIFT mechanisms in place.
See,
measures. What have you put in place?
No, everybody is putting in place. There are many, people who have not connected to the CBS, the SWIFT system. They are trying to work on it. They have already called the vendors.
Is there any deadline given?
No, I'm talking to her. So I think so at the earliest, see, it is not, you take a deadline, there could be a deadline, but today that it is required to address it at the earliest. So everybody has given the vendor the job to get it, who have not done, to get it hooked on to the CBS. And at the earliest, I mean, it doesn't say, it could be 1 week, it could be 15 days, whatever, but everybody is trying to address it at the earliest. We have already, because the vendor is the same, it has to be linked to the CBS, so we have already, everybody has taken with the vendor.
So any instructions you have given to
No, I don't know anything.
IBA front, you have given any instructions to all the banks regarding technology front?
No, there is already a mandate from the Reserve Bank of India saying that you need to comply with this, straight-through processing and combining or taking on your SWIFT on to the CBS, who have not done. The work is in, everybody has started in right earnest.
Ma'am, in terms of...
not linked to SWIFT, is it?
There are many banks.
No, at your
yeah,
bank specifically.
yeah.
Okay.
So
what system do you use, Finacle or TCS?
We use TCS.
Okay.
Ma'am, what kind of supervisory advice is RBI given to banks after the PNB fraud came to light?
See, they have issued 2 instructions on this especially, which most of us are in. Everybody is in compliance, and only the linkage part is being done, which would take little time.
News that there has been a deadline given by RBI, the 30th April.
Correct, but that could be a deadline. That is an outer limit. But today the urgency is such, everybody, maybe I will shell one project side and then step into this and tell my vendor, you fast track this.
Ma'am, have you sent any memo within Allahabad Bank after revelations of this massive scam, just to take precautionary measures?
Yeah, we have already sent.
You've sent a memo
all branches, all reconciliation, everything is done.
Ma'am, is PNB on the same page with other lenders as far as the payout of the 11,400 crore is concerned?
No, I wouldn't be able to answer this.